Hello from Slovenia again, and welcome to year 2021. Probably we all hope that it will be a better one than 2020, regardless to all those things with Corona and other things that happened on planet this year. So today I will do a reverse flower dip for my first pour, and for a background color I will use this pearlescent white by Lumiere, Jacquard. I try to use that as my kind of cell lacing activator for my flower dips, but it didn't work, so I will use it for my background. And for the colors I will use this Extreme Sheen Rose Gold first. So let's start. This is my first color. I love this. I love blues and rose gold together. And next will be Amsterdam Prussian phthalo blue. Okay. And next is Pebeo iridescent blue-green. I love these colors together because they create really beautiful shade of blue-green or something. And of course my pearl white mixture. All the information that you need for my mixtures and everything you can find in the description box. And followed by Amsterdam. No, this is Winsor & Newton phthalo blue. Winsor & Newton phthalo blue, it's totally different than other phthalo blues that from other brands. And this one is Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. So we are going for some blue flower today. And again, rose gold. Oops. And Prussian phthalo. Iridescent blue-green. Pebeo has iridescent blue-green and green-blue, and they are different, and when they mix with other colors they are different. So sometimes this little blue-green, green-blue, not the same thing. And I'm using 10 by 10 canvas today. I forgot to tell. And sky blue light, this color is so beautiful too. And I am expecting some lacing from this rose gold and from white, but I don't see much lacing. Normally I get lacing here when I blow this last color, so I don't know. Maybe it will not lace at all. We will see. We'll just draw some kind of petal shapes with a skewer. Okay, and turn this around. Okay, let's start with this one again, with the rose gold. My rose gold is a little thicker than other colors because these extreme sheen paints, I keep them a little thicker than other ones, because otherwise you can get just some kind of a shimmer on top of the other colors, not the lacing that I want. But I never use this one in flower dips, reverse flower dips or flower dips, so I don't know, we will see. Some white. And phthalo blue, Winsor and Newton phthalo blue, and sky blue light. Oops. And I will almost throw something. Go with this gold again. Rose gold. And Prussian phthalo and Pebeo iridescent, and this will be the last layer that I will add, and then we will go with our napkin thing. Okay, we'll just move this a little bit on the side that I will have space. I already have paint all around me. Okay, and I will spray my napkin with water only, no special things, just water, just to soften it up a little bit. Sometimes I spray a little more, sometimes less, so not really that I, spray the same every time. And let's drag some of this towards the sides. And I will just go with the napkin. Don't do any more petals or something. So put down the first half and the second half of my napkin, trying not to get a lot of air underneath. Just touch it a little bit to make sure that the napkin touches the paint everywhere. You have to do this carefully. You don't want to press hard, otherwise you will smash all your color underneath and it will not create a nice pattern. Okay, maybe I spray my napkin a little too much today, because I think that it's a little wet. Hope that it will not tear apart. keep this part in the middle as much as you can, and connect all the corners carefully as much as you can. And slowly lift this up. Try to keep it in the middle if you can, again. Okay, I really like these colors together, so I like it, I really do. Torch a little bit because it will stimulate this white and rose gold to create some more lacing. And I don't know if I want to pour white around, because it will, you know, spread while drying. So, and when it's dry, if I see that it has too much of this kind of I will just go a little more here, too much of here, how can I say, in the middle, I normally resin it then, and then you will not see any of those things anymore, because you push paint towards the middle with napkin, and it is a little uneven, or how can I say, but I don't want to spin it because it's a nice shape and I like it that way. I just want to touch this part a little bit, but I have to grab a clean paper napkin. Because it's kind of, you see, to one side, and I will just try to camouflage this just a little bit. And this will be it, I think. Just one torch, one more torch to pop up these air bubbles, and this is the first flower for the year 2021 from me, and I have to say that I really like it. So let me take you down for a close-up. Sorry for this part, but you already know. You see a glare, but it's always a glare if you have your lights. But I'm really, 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 really happy with this one. like this rose gold and blues, and I think that there is just enough white, and of course this pearl white will dry pearl, so see all this beautiful lacing. I love it, I really do. And this iridescent blue green will dry really nice, so I can't wait to see the dry result. So I really like this one, I have to say, even though there is a, you see, a little, I don't know, imperfection in this middle, but we already talked about this. Imperfection is something that it's all around, so it's good. Okay, as I said, I like it. If you like it too, you probably know what to do. Subscribe if you didn't yet, leave a comment, and I wish that this flower will bring better year, or how can I say. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.